Today in this video we are going to make delicious chocolate cupcake.
In a bowl, take 1/4 cup milk. The milk should be at room temperature. To this, add 1.5 teaspoon vinegar or sirka. Just stir it well and then leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the milk will be curdled, and to this add 4 teaspoon vegetable oil and 1/4 cup cocoa powder. By mistake, I have mixed these two ingredients. That's why it is looking like a chocolate syrup. So make sure that you don't do that. Now to this add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and then give it a good stir. Make sure you mix everything well, and then your batter will be well combined. Okay, now so this is ready. Then take a sieve and to this add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida. This step is very important because it will prevent the lumps in your batter, so don't skip this step. Followed by some 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Swift this together. Now gently fold the batter. Now we will add 1 cup milk. Earlier we have used 1/4 cup milk, and now this time we will add 1 cup milk. So total 1 and 1/4 cup of milk is needed to make this batter. So just don't add the milk at a whole, just add it gradually. Just add the milk and mix, add the milk and mix, and you will get a smooth batter out of this. It needs a patience. I just suggest to use a whisker because it will reduce your manual work and it gives you a lump-free batter. Okay, now so our batter is ready. If you see that there are no lumps in your batter, then switch it with a spatula. Okay, now use the cut and fold method. It will gives you a very smooth batter, and the surface of the cupcakes will be very smooth. Okay, now so this is ready. Now let's prepare the cupcakes. You can make cupcakes from the paper molds which comes in the market, but here I am using silicone molds which are safe molds. Okay, I am just brushing it with some oil. The cupcakes turn out very good in these molds, and it takes very less time to cook also. So just brush it with oil like what I am doing here. Okay, now so this is ready. Let's pour the batter into this. With this recipe, you can make 8 cupcakes out of this, and just don't fill the mold completely. Fill it 3/4, and if you fill it more, then the cupcakes will come out of the mold and it will not look good. So just remember it to fill 3/4. Now for baking this in microwave, you have to preheat your oven at 170 degree and just bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. And you can also bake this in a microwave at 180 degree for 5 minutes. So here I am just baking it for 180 degree at 5 minutes. And in a pressure cooker or kadhai, you need to just preheat your kadhai at just fill the regular salt in the kadhai, and you need to preheat for 10 to 15 minutes and then bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. So here I am baking these. Just bake these. Okay, now so our cupcakes are ready, and we will insert one toothpick and see that they are done completely or not. So this toothpick has come out clean. Just cover it with a cotton cloth and let them cool. Okay, so now these cupcakes had cooled down. Now I'm going to demold these. You can see how nice and spongy they are looking. Okay, now so dust it with some powdered sugar and your cupcakes will be ready. These are looking delicious, not? Let me know.